Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. So today I'm really excited to be collaborating with Frontier Foods using their absolutely delicious tahini. Tahini is a sesame seed paste and it's one of those brilliant cupboard staples that you can use in so many different ways, but what I love is using it as a dressing, and it's actually pretty quick, pretty easy, and what's great is once you have a jar, this will last for a couple of days in your fridge. And I actually, as you can see, really love this. So my jar is already half empty, but that's just enough to start with. So what I'm going to do is I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder, the juice of 1 lemon, nutritional yeast, which basically is like such a vegan staple. What's great is also it is fortified with B12, so that's a really important nutrient for vegans to look out for. Some salt, some pepper, and then to get the consistency right, just keep adding water a little bit at a time. I want this to be more of like a drizzle, but if you want it thicker, maybe say with sweet potato wedges or something like that, go easy on the water. So I'm pretty excited about my dinner now. What I love about this kind of dressing is that it's so universal and you can kind of tailor it. Like if you're working with something like sweet potato wedges or you've got a sweeter flavor, you could maybe make it a little bit more acidic by adding a bit more lemon juice. Play around with it, enjoy it. Let me know if you make it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.